Good morning, birthday boy. It is your birthday. Do you like your door?
Look at your door.
What was on it? What is that? Go touch it. What are those? Are they cool? Keep coming down, you'll see it. Keep coming.
Keep coming. Right here.
What is that?
You want to open it?
Yeah, you can open it now. You don't know what's in there.
It's an excavator.
No, I don't think it's an excavator.
What is it?
You'll find out.
Whoa! I thought it was a giant mouse set. I want to open it.
You want to pop?
Open the big one.
Okay.
What's upside? It's all open.
Yeah.
And my birthday.
Today is your birthday.
And that's birthday.
Which one are you opening
Did you
now?
hear?
What?
Excavator! Whoa! Whoa! Go it! Please.
Keep going.
My shirt! Look! Look at this! My shirt has it, my excavator! It's open up!
What is it? You excited about your birthday? You look good.
My sandbox has sand in it and I don't want you to come out.
I won't come out. I'll stay right here. You want to play?
Yeah.
You see it? What's over there? Let's go see Ben. Come on.
That's a little bigger than I
Someone out there.
It's Ben.
Look, we got you an excavator for your birthday.
I want to drive
This
it.
is Jess.
And we can't drive it, but if you ask him really nicely, maybe you can sit in it.
just last night and said not. That's a good idea.
Whoa. Ready? One more time.